So in this video, guys, we will check lives. So it means it has to be in a while cycle, because in every cycle, with every guess, we need to check if lives are okay. Here lives are 6. So I would put here check lives. It has to be indented like this, because it means it's a part of the while cycle. Do you remember? I hope you do. And here I will put here if guess is not in random word. So it means our guess is, for example, X, and random word it's for example Harry. So it's if X is not in Harry, and that's true, correct? That's true, because X is not in Harry, so the lives go like this. Or we have again the short code like this. These two lines again, they are completely the same. Okay, so we will put lives and put there -1. Perfect. I would like to print here some information, so you have, and put here lives. So it means here will be the number lives left. It's a F string. We spoke about it in the first tutorial about Python for beginners. It means you can put the variable in the text like with the F string, and it goes like this. Okay, so perfect. And here if lives will be equal 0, what does it mean? It means print you lost. And here you need to put break. I am not sure if we speak about break. Break only means that if the break is in a while cycle or in every cycle. It doesn't mean while cycle or for cycle. Break means stop the cycle. So if the while cycle goes to the break, break means stop the cycle and continue with the code below. Okay, so if the lives will be 0, the while cycle stopped. Okay, because it's end, and we don't want to go again and ask user about his guess. Okay, if the lives is 0. I hope guys you understand. So that's it, and we will continue in the next video.